Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to fix its time to close Instagram problem which lot of people facing after new update. So once you open up your Instagram app, so here you notice that it's showing error. It's time to close Instagram. You can use it after 12:10 p.m. So if you see this problem on your Instagram account, so I want to show you the exact solution to fix this problem. So the first thing you have to simply first open up the Google Play Store. Here make sure you try to update your Instagram because automatically Instagram will fix errors and bugs when you try to update your Instagram. So as you noticed it, I have received a new update. So first thing I want to just update my Instagram app, and here I want to show you the exact version of this Instagram update. So when I go to the about app, so here I can see the exact version. It is a 430.00 and 57, and this is the latest update which recently launched on May 12 2026. So first thing, you make sure you update your Instagram app, and once you successfully update your Instagram app, you can easily open up and lot of errors will be automatically fixed. So this is the first solution. The second way, which one is very important, you have to simply first go to the Instagram app settings. So tap and hold down the Instagram. Now here you will find a little information icon, so go to this one, and here on Instagram app settings you need to simply go to the storage, and here make sure you clear cache and data, but I want to just only clear the cache because here you will find lot of errors and unnecessary data. So once you clear the cache memory, your automatically error will be fixed. So these are the two important things you can consider here. And now I want to just open up the Instagram here. So you notice that now I have successfully accessed my Instagram account without any error. So this is actually a way you can fix its time to close Instagram problem by using these methods. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.